That looks delicious. What is it? It's honey. How does this look? Strawberry pancakes with some honey poured over them? Yum! Have you ever eaten honey? It's sweet, sticky, and delicious. Usually, we get honey at the store in jars. But do you ever wonder who makes it and how it's made? Honey is made by honeybees. Here are some honeybees. Honeybees make honey, and they do lots of other things too. Let's look at how honeybees live and make honey, and some of the things that they do. Honeybees must live in a community or colony to survive. The bee community lives in a nest. Some bee colonies live on bee farms. On bee farms, human beekeepers build the outside of the nest and harvest or gather the honey. There are 3 kinds of honeybees in a colony: the queen bee, worker bees, and drone bees. A nest has only one queen bee. She is about twice as long as the other bees. It's hard to see the queen because the worker bees are protecting her. The queen is the mother of all the bees in the hive. She lays about 1,500 eggs every day. She lives from 1 to 4 years. Here you can see the queen being marked with a white dot. In a healthy colony, there can be 60,000 worker bees. They are all female. Inside the nest, the workers build honeycombs out of wax. Worker bees keep the developing bees and honey in the honeycomb cells. They also clean the nest and feed the other bees. Here, the bee farmer is showing a honeycomb and the cells where the honey is. Worker bees gather nectar from flowers and make it into honey. Worker bees also gather pollen from the flowers. Worker bees live for about 6 weeks. Drone bees are males. They can't feed themselves. They live for about 4 months. Their only job is to mate with the queen. After mating, the drone dies. Honeybees also help flowers grow into fruits. Flowers must be pollinated or fertilized to grow into fruits. When bees are on the flowers, pollen sticks to them. Then they fly to different flowers, and pollen from the first flower drops onto the second flower. When this happens, the flower grows a fruit. Honeybees are very busy creatures. They work hard to make honey and keep their hive healthy. Without honeybees, we wouldn't have honey or fruit to eat.